If you need to update your account details to ensure your next payout goes to the right place, the process is very straightforward. In this video, I will show you how to change your bank account on Etsy. To get started, open up Etsy and log into your seller account. Once you are on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on Shop Manager. Once you are inside the Shop Manager dashboard, look at the left-hand side panel and click on the Finances tab. Under the Finances menu, select Payment Settings. When the Payment Settings page loads, you will see your current bank details displayed. To update this information, simply hit the Edit button. From here, you can enter your new banking details. If you are also changing your bank currency, be sure to select the correct option, otherwise you can leave it as is. Once you have entered the new information, click on Save and Verify Account. Keep in mind that Etsy may require a verification step to confirm the new account is yours, so be sure to follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. That's how you change your bank account on Etsy.